Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is unpredictable. It is pronounced un-pr-dic-t-able and spelt U-N-P-R-E-D-I-C-T-A-B-L-E. Think un, pre, dic, and then table. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Unpredictable means uncertain or not able to be predicted, often in a way that is not easily controlled. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is not consistent, stable, or certain. For example, you could say the weather was unpredictable, with sudden rain showers. Or, his mood was unpredictable, and it was hard to know how to approach him. The word unpredictable comes from the Latin word impredictus, which means not able to be predicted, referring to something that is not predictable or uncertain. In the film The Wizard of Oz, the main character, Dorothy, faces unpredictable events and characters on her journey to see the land of Oz. She meets a talking scarecrow, befriends a lion, and is chased by a wicked witch. Synonyms for unpredictable are uncertain, unstable, inconsistent, and volatile. Antonyms for unpredictable include predictable, stable, consistent, and certain. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Unpredictable. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.